Today we will talk about adding and deleting the objects in Blender. So for adding the object there are many ways. Like if you want to add an object, go to the menu bar up here, add, and add any object, for example torus. So you will see that it will add object in the middle. But the question you can arise here is that why it is only adding the object in the middle, why it is not adding in right side or left side. The answer is that it will add object only there where this cursor is present. So for example, now if I will add the object, any object, for example I add this cylinder, it will add to this place. So the object will add there where this cursor is present. And for hotkeys, you can also directly add any object by pressing Shift and A. By pressing Shift and A, you can add shortcutly any object, like this monkey head, Suzanne. This monkey head is called Suzanne. It is by default Blender project. So now just talk about how we can delete any object in the Blender. So for deleting an object there are many ways. Like first you can go to this option and object and delete, it will delete the object. Second, you can just select the object by right clicking on it and press X and click on it. And another method to delete the object, by selecting an object and press delete. So this will be the option for deleting the object. Now we will talk about some of the other options. It will be different deleting, in edit mode. For example, you delete this vertex here, then it will look like something this. It will not delete the whole object in edit mode, but it will delete only those those points which is selected by it. Pressing Ctrl plus Z to become back. And if you want to delete the face, there are many options. This option here up here is called vertex. This point is called vertex, and edge selects, these lines are called edges, and the face select, these are called faces of the object. Now you can press Ctrl plus R to become a edge loop here, and by selecting this you can move it anywhere in the scene. So now let's just talk about some other option. If you press X, there are other many options like limited dissolve, vertex, dissolve edges, edge collapse. What is this will be done if you have selected these two and then press S, and if you select this edge collapse, it will join those two points into one. Press Ctrl plus Z to go back, and if you press X now again and you will select dissolve edge, then it will dissolve, it will remove that edge. You will find this one here better, and press X, dissolve edge. See, that line will disappear, that edge will be disappear here, it is no more there. So there are many options. If you select only face, then it will be only delete the face by pressing X and only face, then only this face will be deleted. Also you can select and delete from here the outliner window. Just press X, select on the object which you want to delete, a torus or cube, and right click on it and press delete. So these are the options from which you can add and delete the object. Most of the simple method is to just shift A, press just shift A, and you can add any of these objects: meshes, curves, surfaces, metaballs, text, grease pencil, armature, lattice, empties, lamp, image, etc. And let's just briefly talk about these options here. These are the zoom option. You have to just click and drag inward, it will zoom inward, and drag outward, it will zoom out. And this hand option is for moving in the scene up and down, and this here for camera option, and this last one is for perspective and orthographic views. There are two type of views: perspective and orthographic. In orthographic views, all of the object will look like the same, same height, same size. But in this is the orthographic view, but in perspective view it will look different. The closer one can be look more accurately, and the behind object will look some different. So this is it for today. We will see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.